There are many different types and levels of teams. High-performing organizations have leaders who work in teams. Planning and analysis for day-to-day and strategic issues are done by the leadership group. Leadership teams often have multiple sub-teams to attack specific issues. The quality leadership team often includes a steering committee, whose job it is to select major improvement projects and monitor the progress of those projects. Probably the most common type of team in quality is the problem-solving team. These teams come together to solve a specific problem, then they disband. Or they might stay active and address a number of problems in sequence. Depending on the problem, these problem-solving teams may be departmental or they might be cross-functional. Like project and leadership teams, these teams will probably collect and analyze data to find solutions to the problems. Project teams are almost always temporary. They're usually focused on one objective, often a quality improvement objective. These teams will typically have 4 to 8 regular or core members. They may also have affiliate or ad hoc members who attend meetings or get involved only when their special skills are needed. These sound very much like problem-solving teams, but there is an important difference. Problem-solving teams are created as a reaction to something that has gone wrong. Project teams are created to proactively accomplish an improvement or other important objective. Natural work teams are just what the name implies. They're teams of people who work together on a daily basis, usually in the same work area. In a more traditional environment, these people might not think of themselves as a team. But in a high-performance work environment, the team mentality is actively cultivated. A natural work team does not necessarily work in close physical proximity to each other, but they often do. In sophisticated organizations, these natural work teams take on some responsibilities that used to belong to management. Self-managed or self-directed work teams are a highly trained extension of natural work teams. They're given much more authority than other work teams. They make many of the decisions once made by managers. They might make decisions about production schedules, work schedules, the ordering of materials, and improvement efforts. In some cases, these teams even hire and fire team members. The final type of team is the virtual team. These are becoming increasingly common. The boundaries that they cross tend to be geographical. The members of these teams rarely see each other and communicate and work primarily through technology. Some large global companies use virtual engineering teams, for example, with members scattered around the globe. That way, the team can work on the project 24 hours a day through a series of handoffs. The physical distance between the members can create some challenges that should be directly addressed. They also face additional challenges like language and cultural differences. There are many different types of teams and many different situations where teamwork is advantageous. We can accomplish much more when we all pull together.